Hi, I'm Sagir Ahmed. C# is one of the most powerful and popular programming languages for enterprise development. Today, we're going to answer the question every aspiring .NET developer must know: what exactly is C#, and why does it power modern enterprise applications? C#, pronounced C#, is a modern, type-safe, and object-oriented programming language built by Microsoft. It sits on top of the .NET platform and powers everything from web APIs and desktop apps to mobile and cloud solutions. Developers love it because it is strongly typed, which catches errors at compile time, and it handles memory automatically through its garbage collector. Let me give you a real-world analogy. Think of your C# application as a restaurant. C#, the language, is the skilled chef who follows precise recipes, which is its syntax. The .NET framework is the fully equipped kitchen providing all the tools and libraries. Type safety is the inventory system that prevents you from putting salt in the sugar jar, meaning you can't accidentally assign the wrong type to a variable. And the garbage collector is the cleaner who automatically tidies up unused memory, so the chef can focus purely on cooking. Here's real C# code from my pharmacy management system. This is an entity model, which maps directly to a database table. Notice the use of properties with get and set accessors, data annotations like required and string length for validation, and generics with iCollection of product. These are core C# features working together to create a clean, maintainable data model. This is the iCategory repository interface from the same project. Notice task and async patterns. This is C#'s powerful asynchronous programming model. By using async and await, our API never blocks a thread while waiting for a database response, making it highly performant. The interface itself enables dependency injection, which decouples our controllers from specific implementations and makes the code testable. Now let's talk about the most common C# mistakes beginners make. First, never concatenate strings using the plus operator inside a loop. Each concatenation creates a new string in memory. Use string builder instead. Second, never use async void outside of event handlers. It breaks exception handling and can crash your app silently. Always return async task. Third, always dispose of idisposable objects like database contexts using the using statement, or you will have memory and connection leaks. Here are the best practices that separate beginner C# code from professional enterprise grade code. Use LINQ, Language Integrated Query, to filter and transform collections with clean, readable syntax instead of verbose. For each loops, use the null conditional operator and the null coalescing operator to handle null values safely without endless if null checks. And always use dependency injection. Never instantiate your dependencies with the new keyword inside a class. Inject them through the constructor, which is the DI way. That's C# in a nutshell. It's type-safe, object-oriented, powered by an incredible ecosystem, and used by millions of professional developers worldwide. Check out my full blog post linked in the description for code examples, FAQs, and internal links to deeper topics. Subscribe for more videos on C#, ASP.NET Core, and enterprise software architecture. See you in the next one.